It's like, do you see how tiny it is?
Good job!
Good morning and welcome back to another video. And in case you were wondering what we did the first 4 days of the year, we were making our first puzzle that we ever made in our adulthood. We were never, both of us, into puzzles when we were young and teenagers, so that's the first puzzle we ever did. And we chose to do the smallest puzzle. This is called a mini puzzle, so it's quite much more smaller than the regular puzzle piece. And we also chose to do the most complicated one. I feel we did the globe, and it has so much water, so much land, all the land looks the same. So we were definitely really occupied those first 4 days of the year. And what we want to do now in this video, we actually did not plan on filming it, but we want to make a frame for it to go inside, because I'm definitely not doing it again this year, maybe in the future. But we also don't want to glue it on, so we can always make it again in case we want, or we feel like doing it in like 5 years or something. So we can always come back to it, because I hate when you glue on puzzle. So we want to make a frame for it to put it on, because yeah, we don't feel like deassembling it. And I think it's quite of a nice puzzle to also put up. So let's get started. You're actually gonna see a few clips, I think like 1 or 2 clips, and the photos, because as I said, we never planned to film it. So yeah, there's only photos of it and some close-ups of how complicated it actually is. And then we're gonna go to the barn and make the frame for it. So let's get started.
Good job!
Finally, 4 days
puzzle.
later. Okay, let's do it again. Should I break it?
Yeah.
No, I'm not doing that again. It was already feeling hard until we hit the land, and then we thought the land is difficult until we hit the seas and the waters, which all look the same. Like, do you see how tiny it is? Can't even read anything.
Which side do we prefer? You hold it. I'll take it.
I thought it was frozen out for a second until I realized that the nails
We're too long.
they're not going all the way through though.
Archaeological project.
That's what happens if you haven't worked for a while. Yeah, perfect. Okay, saved it. Can I film and do it, you think?
I don't know.
Okay. Wait.
Always bees, rough.
Yeah. Okay. Get on the table closer.
That's a lot more see-through. So as you can see, it is done, and on the wall, this is where we chose to put it. First of all, we actually made it from fully all recycled material, so things just laying around. The plexiglass was barely enough, so that's why a lot of the map is missing on some places, but really unnoticeable. And only we know how much is missing because we built it. And the bottom shelf we actually added just because we did not have enough of this wood. So yeah, it was just not enough just to finish the bottom. So we added a shelf, so now you can put some things on there. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. And before we finish this video, we actually did something else in the living room. We're gonna show you that now. It was actually before New Year, I think before even Christmas maybe we did it.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's show you those clips now. We had a mess here. We already kind of started cleaning it up. It was a lot of the battery banks and lots of things sitting here, so we already took them away. But now we want to clean up the cable mess, and I want to put these speakers up. I'm going to do something maybe people disagree, which is put screws through here first of all, and then also into the speaker. I did get these speakers for €5, so
€5 together.
Yeah. So I'm not really so caring that I break them. They're really high-end speakers. They're hi-fi speakers. They're really expensive if you buy them used on Marketplace. But I got them really cheap. And this thing we got for free. And it is not in best condition where you want to preserve it for antique. It is rusted, it's broken, it's not the best. So I'm going to put some screws here and attach these on the side. I think it's going to look a bit better. And then we're going to organize all the cables. So that should be pretty good. I would like to also upgrade my amplifier, but I didn't buy one. Because I want to make the buttons on the side somewhere. Because now they're covered in here. It's like a Bluetooth amplifier for this old speaker, so it's actually wireless. But yeah, I want to improve that. So yeah, let's get started with the speakers. Kind of cool, no?
Just been
So that's pretty much it with this video, and as you can see, the only decoration we have put, kind of decoration, is this panda bear, because everything else that I have as a decoration is Christmas decorations, so I don't have anything else seasonal, so I don't know what could fit there. We could put a candle maybe, but we really don't have any decorations besides Christmas decorations. That's why we also have the house still a bit Christmas decorated, and yeah, we might have to look in the thrift shop for some decorations, but that's pretty much it for this video. Let us know what you think. I think it turned out really nice for like half an hour's work, and using only recycled material that we had laying around from other projects. So yeah, let us know what you think in the comments down below, and I hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you in the next one.